Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete a Wix website using your phone. This is useful when we no longer need a site and want to remove it directly from the Wix mobile app. Let's get started. Once we have the app open, we log in. This is where we manage and delete a site from our phone. All we need to do is tap the 3 horizontal lines in the Wix app. After tapping that, a menu will appear, and we will see the option to move the site to trash. Go ahead and tap Move to Trash. A confirmation message will pop up asking if we really want to move the site to trash. If we are sure, just tap Move to Trash again, and the site will be removed from Wix on our phone. That is how we delete a Wix website using our phone. It is a quick and easy way to remove any site we no longer need.